Welcome to this step-by-step guide on publishing your WordPress site. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each necessary action to get your site live quickly and efficiently. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you see the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will notice a login option. This initial step is key to accessing your website's management dashboard, so take your time to ensure you are on the correct site. After you have located the login option, click it. The login option is typically positioned in the upper right area and is designed for easy access. Once you click login, you'll be provided with several authentication methods. In this guide, we are using the Google account integration feature. Click on the option that says continue with Google. This alternative login method is not only secure but also easy to use, as it allows you to select your Google account credentials without having to remember a separate username and password for WordPress. When you click continue with Google, a list of available accounts will be presented, so choose the one you prefer to use for managing your website. Once your session has been authenticated via your chosen Google account, the next step is to navigate to your posts. Having successfully logged in, locate the section in your dashboard that is labeled Posts and click on it. The Posts section gives you access to all the entries and pages that you have created, whether they are still in draft status or already published. With your post visible, identify the page that you wish to work on, especially if it is saved as a draft that still requires publishing. Within the post section, select the page you want to publish by clicking on its edit option. The edit interface allows you to make changes to the content, review the layout and prepare your site for publication. As you are on the edit page, notice the right hand side panel where several settings related to page status and visibility are located. This setup is designed for quick adjustments and gives clear indications of the page's current status. Focus your attention on the status options in that right panel and click on the link that currently indicates draft. Transitioning from a draft to a published version is an essential step, and by clicking on the draft link you will be presented with the option to change its status. Here, select the choice labeled Published. This selection confirms your decision to make your content visible to the public, ensuring that your visitors can now view the page as part of your website. After you have set the page status to published, the final action involves clicking on the Publish button, generally located in the top right corner of the editing screen. By clicking on Publish, you are finalizing the changes and officially launching the page on your website. This button is the final confirmation in your process and signals to WordPress that your content is ready for the public eye. Throughout this guide, each step has been carefully designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. By following these instructions, you can confidently publish any drafted page on your WordPress site and ensure that your visitors have access to the most current information. Enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness that WordPress brings to website management, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.